What are you doing? It's not for doggies. Pizza is not for doggies, bud. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
My mom is not very happy with me. Last night I decided I wanted attention. After mom took me to do my business at 1 a.m. I kept crying in my crate. Mom and dad got up multiple times to see if I needed water or to do more potty. Little did they know I just wanted attention. Finally at 3 a.m. those suckers gave in and let me sleep on the bed with them. I am the king of Taha.
You have to stop doing that in public. People won't babysit you, and it's making my family extremely uncomfortable.
My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. Yeah, ooh. Disrespect your surroundings.
Such a joke. Ah, ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow. Ow. Ow.
Come on. Come on. Good boy. Yeah.
What's so awesome about my bed is that I don't have to worry about monsters. Because there is no possible way for a monster to get under my bed. So there's absolutely...
Hey, the fight's that way.
What? 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 What?
Chiquito, ay mi amor, mi vida, ¿quién te quiere, corazón, papelito hermoso, pequeño, mi vida, hermosito? ¡Ay!
Esto se lo me hace...
This is my dog, and she loves me. Yes? Fuck you, motherfucker!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jimmy. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Park that Big Mac truck right in this little garage. Make it cream, make me scream out in public.
Wearing? What are you wearing? What? What did you do to my dog? What did you do to my dog? Huh? You just look like a whore.
Oh, you look like
you look like a little whore. You're like a little whore.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.
I hit him up for color money, purple yen.
Open him. Come here, you stinky ass bitch. Come here. Open him. Open him. Open him.
I'm with the gang, 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 and we bout to go up. Switching lanes, it's a thing every time we show up. You a lame, 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 and you so below us. Bet your hoe she know us, cause you know we glowed up. We stay down.
Hello, human. I was wondering why you hold hand when you could be playing with me, your dog, and my nice ring. I just request a couple of fingers. You just hold it just like that. Yes, and now we can play tug. Thank you.
Jealous pet challenge. Whenever your dog is in another room or just isn't paying attention, act like you see something so adorable and see how they react.
Oh my god, it's so cute! Look how little it is!
In this house, there's some chores 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 in this house.
Duke, are you gonna get up? I'm home. Yeah, I'm home. You didn't hear me come through the door just now?
Come here, Blue. Come here, boy.
I'm gonna show you guys why you can never trust a pit bull. Just a warning, it might get a little graphic. Oh.
Yeah, baby. Oh, shit.
Uy, qué cara. Uy, qué cara. ¿Qué has hecho? ¿Eh?
No, Pata, you're not getting the lizard. Lizard, all done. I know you want the lizard, I know, but you can't have him. All done. No lizard.